I told Hyman that I was scrolling down his videos and wondered why he makes so many videos of birds and ducks. This is what he told me. I wrote it down. Well, for one thing, I always come across them on my walks and like to give them their props because we use their down feathers as insulation for jackets, blankets, pillows, and sleeping bags. And we use their other feathers for Mardi Gras Indian costumes, masks, baskets, upholstery, earrings, and all kinds of other stuff. Feathers, and especially eagle feathers, are sacred symbols of honor and healing in nearly all indigenous cultures and are used in a variety of rituals. Birds are also enormously diverse and good looking. They walk the earth, and yet they have wings and fly across the skies. I used to draw pictures of birds when I was little. Plus, I like to watch and feed the birds that come into my backyard and eavesdrop on their conversations. He said a woman from the Oglala Sioux Nation who used to work with him at Northern Illinois University in the early 1970s gave him a special feather with beaded leather wrapped around the stem. He said he still has it, and it has been hanging above a doorway in his home for decades. He paused, and then he added, St. Francis of Assisi liked birds too.